Tsodilo Hills, in northwestern Botswana, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient rock paintings, some over 20,000 years old. With more than 4,500 artworks, it offers a unique glimpse into the lives of ancient communities. The San people consider the hills sacred, believing them to be home to ancestral spirits. Rising from the Kalahari Desert, the hills provide a stunning landscape that blends history, art, and spirituality, making Tsodilo one of Botswana's most remarkable heritage sites.